My name is Saikat Chakraborty. I am from the Corporate Communications Department of GAIL India Limited. GAIL India Limited is India's leading natural gas company, but one of the very big business lines that we have is petrochemical manufacturing. We have a petrochemical manufacturing plant in Pata in Uttar Pradesh. Plus, we also market the products of Brahmaputra Crackers and Polymers Limited, which is in Assam. And we are also setting up a plant in Usar in Maharashtra. At the moment, we have got a production capacity of more than 8,000 KTA, which is marketed through GAIL India Limited. And we sell the products to our consignment stockists mainly, who further sell it to the end users. At this exhibition, the HIPLEX 2023, we are exhibiting all the grades that we have manufactured. We are talking about the company's production capabilities and our future expansion plans. Recently, we have also, GAIL has also acquired a company called JBF Petrochemicals, which has been renamed as GAIL Mangalore Petrochemicals Limited. That also should come on stream in about 2 years' time. So our production capacity will increase even further at that time. Thank you.